an American family legend that once graced the streets of the 1960s, now reborn with the electric spirit of the future. This is the resurrection of a glorious past. The 2027 Chevrolet Kingswood EV, a perfect blend of nostalgia and futuristic technology. Don't miss every second of the incredible transformation of the 2027 Chevrolet Kingswood EV. Click the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with incredible stories from the automotive world of the future. The 2027 Kingswood EV boasts an elegant blend of classic lines and modern, high-tech elements. Its design exudes a neo-heritage luxury wagon aura, retaining the legacy of Chevrolet, but in a completely new electric form. The front grille is fully enclosed, yet still features a retro-style metal pattern. In the center, the Chevrolet logo illuminates with electric blue LEDs, signaling its future EV identity. The dual circular headlights, inspired by the classic Kingswood of the 1960s, have been transformed into animated laser LED lights that illuminate dynamically when the car is started. The minimalist front bumper with horizontal chrome strips creates a bold and premium impression. The body lines are smooth and flowing, creating an aerodynamic impression while remaining sturdy and muscular. The flush-handle doors, which are integrated into the body, automatically open when approached using the digital key. There are hidden LiDAR and radar sensors in the grille and lower bumper to support the autonomous Drive Level 4 system. Aerodynamic flow lines on the sides of the hood and doors, which are not only aesthetic but also help flow air at high speeds. From the rear, the 2027 Kingswood EV truly showcases Chevrolet's bold and futuristic design evolution. Its sleek yet bold lines blend seamlessly with the flowing aerodynamic curves that extend from the roof pillars to the rear. The rear panel is adorned with full-length LED headlights, stretching from left to right, with a soft red lighting effect that conveys both high-tech and luxury. The lower bumper features 4 rectangular chrome exhaust tips, a detail that symbolizes power and high performance, even though it is now powered by a purely electric power system. As soon as the doors are opened, an aura of luxury is immediately felt. The 2027 Kingswood EV features a futuristic interior that blends seamlessly with classic touches. The two-tone premium leather seats, a combination of dark brown and dark gray with contrasting orange stitching, create an elegant and sporty feel. The seats are ergonomically designed with bold contours, designed for maximum comfort on long journeys. The dashboard features a highly modern layout with dual high-resolution digital touchscreens that seamlessly integrate with the driver's instrument panel. The interface is intuitive, featuring an AI navigation system, driving mode settings, and intelligent voice control based on Chevrolet's virtual assistant. Every detail feels precisely crafted, from the leather stitching to the digital display, making the 2027 Kingswood EV more than just an electric vehicle, but a symbol of the fusion of past heritage and future luxury. This car will be priced at a fantastic $110,000 to $130,000 US. The 2027 Kingswood EV isn't just an electric car, it's a legacy revived. Ready for the future, honoring the past. What do you think? Subscribe to this video and share your feedback.